Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cursor, Windsurf and Junie. Cursor offers a modern AI-embedded code editing experience. It lives in your editor and boosts your workflow with context-aware code suggestions, real-time debugging help, and powerful refactoring tools. It's built for developers who want to write code faster, clean it up smartly, and stay in a familiar environment. Cursor is especially useful for those who value deep AI support without leaving their local IDE. Windsurf takes that AI power and layers in real-time collaboration. It's designed for team working on the same code base. Think Google Docs, but for your projects. Developer can chat, review code together, and watch changes sync instantly, all while AI supports with the code suggestions and documentations. It's a perfect match for distributed teams or open-source contributors who want seamless team workflow plus intelligent assistance. Junie by JetBrains goes as a step further into autonomy. It's not just a helper, it's an AI that can help plan and execute multi-step tasks across your project. Junie can navigate files, run terminal commands, modify code, generate entire features, or fix bugs, acting almost like an assistance developer inside your IDE. It's deeply integrated into IntelliJ, PyCharm, WebStorm, Golang, and more, making it ideal for experienced developers who want a powerful, high-level automation within trusted tools. Cursor excels at individual productivity, seamlessly assisting developers within their familiar editor. Windsurf brings Cursor's AI help into a collaborative setting, making teamwork smoother with real-time sharing and communication. Junie stands out by operating with autonomy, able to execute complex tasks and navigate your code base independently, all within JetBrains IDEs. If you're looking for smart coding support, go with Cursor. Need collaboration and AI? Pick Windsurf. Want an assistant that can act for you inside a full IDE? Junie is a standout option. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.